Records show that the San Diego Police Department shared data from its automated license plate reader program with federal law enforcement agencies more than 60 times last year. Local advocates flagged it as a violation of a state law that explicitly prohibits local police departments from sharing that kind of surveillance data with outside agencies.
They should be held to a higher scrutiny, and particularly when using technology that is storing and sharing all of our private data.
And California Attorney General Rob Bonta seems to agree. In April, his office sent SDPD a letter saying the department likely violated state law. San Diego's automated license plate reader system uses 500 cameras to track data on every vehicle it captures. The system records the color, make, model, and location of each vehicle, and which direction they are traveling. It stores millions of these data points in a third-party database that other law enforcement agencies have access to, as long as they have permission from SDPD. Captain Charles Lara says the department is no longer sharing data with any outside agency.
After several weeks of back and forth, we consulted with Deputy Attorney General Michael S. Cohen to make sure that we were doing what we needed to do.
The city's independent privacy advisory board says that the decision is a big win for residents. The board chairman, Tim Blood, wants to continue working collaboratively with SDPD to implement more privacy protection policies.
I think the next big step is for the Privacy Advisory Board to advise these agencies on a more comprehensive plan on what is effectively data management, which is really what all this comes down to.
Automated license plate reader systems have for years been controversial, but they've come under increased scrutiny this year because of President Trump's mass deportation campaign. Federal agencies like Immigration and Customs Enforcement want to use this data to detain immigrants without legal status. Advocates want the city council to defund the program entirely. They say the police department's likely violation of state law shows that they cannot be trusted with this sensitive information.
That shouldn't be seen as a minimal mistake, right? And instead, that should be seen as a huge red flag. That if they can't even abide by the language of the law that was created to specifically for the use of this technology, why would the public trust that they should use this technology at all?
And the council is considering it. Councilman Steve Whitburn has long been a supporter of automated license plate readers, but he says last month's immigration raid in South Park has made him reconsider his position.
It seems within the realm of possibility that this administration would try to force the city of San Diego to share ALPR data, and that the administration would use that data to enforce its immigration policies or for other purposes that many of us would oppose.
The Public Safety Committee is scheduled to review this item in the coming week. Gustavo Solis, KPBS News.